Okay, good morning, good day. Now I will have a reflection video about RNN and SNN. RNN is recurrent neural networks, while SNN is simple neural network. Okay, first we will talk about RNN. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, as you can see, the program focuses on recurrent neural networks or RNN, a type of neural network designed to handle sequential data unlike traditional models. RNNs have a memory. They process inputs step by step and use feedback loops to retain information from previous steps. This makes them ideal for tasks like time series forecasting, natural language processing or NLP, and speech recognition. Okay, the material includes code example for building RNN models, though some parts are unclear due to typos or incomplete content. Okay, as you can see, this is the RNN model, recurrent neural network. Okay, what application? Ano ba yung application ng program na trying to solve ng program na to, RNN? Okay. The program highlights several real-world applications. For example, time series forecasting, predicting stock prices or financial trends. NLP tasks, sentiment analysis or text generation, mga chatbots. Okay, example na mga chatbots. Speech and audio processing, like Google's voice recognition. Sequence classification, such as identifying patterns in sensor data. While the examples are promising, the documents lacks depth in explaining on how these models are tailored to specific problems. Okay, ito yung mga sample ng mga dataset. Yan, yung mga yan. Ito yung flowchart niya. Okay, kung makikita nyo, yung English, translate niya sa isang language. Okay? Okay, tsaka itong program na to, pinipredict niya yung stock, yung pagbabago ng prices sa example sa airplane. Okay? Okay, assessment of the program in terms of accuracy, reliability, and efficiency. Number one, accuracy. RNNs can perform well on short sequences but struggle with long-term dependencies. Okay? Pwede siyang short sequence, pero pag sa mahaba, medyo nagbabago-bago siya. No? Okay. Dito, sinabi dito, LSTMs as a solution but doesn't elaborate. Okay, hindi niya masyadong inano. Okay, reliability. The code snippets contain errors. Okay, which could mislead beginners. Pero reliable naman siya. Efficiencies ng RNN. RNNs are computationally heavily, especially for long sequence. The material doesn't discuss optimization techniques like batching or parallelization. Okay, now, paano ba natin ma-improve yung program na to? Okay, number one, fix errors. Correct typos in code and clarify placeholder text. Okay, dapat ayusin natin yung i-double check natin yung mga error, no? Yung mga coding natin. Kailangan tama yung mga tia-type natin. Okay, add visuals, diagrams of RNN architecture. example niya, feedback loops, LSTM gates. Kailangan meron tayong mga sample. Ito yung TensorFlow backend. Yan. Yan yung nag-test nila. Okay. Include real dataset. Okay, kailangan meron tayong real dataset. Hands-on project with stock prices or weather data. Weather, yung panahon, no? Compare architecture. Show when to use RNNs versus LSTMs or transformers. Okay, simplify explanation. Breakdown jargon with analogies. And last, encourage experimentation. Provide a clean notebook template for us to use and to modify. Okay? Yan yung mga ano niya. Okay, dito nakalagay reach stock price, data set test. Kailangan accurate yung mga ano natin. Yan. Ito yung Google stock price prediction. Ito yung time yan. Kailangan accurate din. Okay, ano ba yung mga takeaway keys na pwede nating ano makita dito sa sample ng recurrent neural network? Okay, RNNs are powerful for sequences but have limitation. Mabisa siya, powerful siya, pero may mga limit, may mga konting limitasyon. Okay, context matters. Choosing the right model, RNN, LSTM, transformer, depends on the problem. Okay, learning by doing. Debugging the code snippets stop me with more about RNNs than other passive reading. Okay, community is the key. Collaborating with peers or using forums like Kaggle, ito yung Kaggle, sa Kaggle to, kaggle.com, can fill gaps in materials like this. Okay, in conclusion, the RNN are fascinating stepping stone into AR for sequential data. While this program has room for improvement, it is sparked by curiosity to explore further, maybe even try to building our own chatbot. Okay. Okay, ito kasi chatbot to eh. Yan. Okay, now we go to simple neural network. Okay, change tayo. Ito yung simple neural network. Ito yung mga code niya. Yan. Okay. SNN or simple neural networks is focuses on building to classify or predict outcome based on weather-related data. Okay. Ito yung mga pinipredict niya. Temperature, pressure, di ba? Wind direction, yung mga yan. Okay. Ang una niyang inaano, transforming raw weather data like pressure, temperature, humidity into meaningful features. Okay? Example nito, pressure trends, moisture indices. Yan, yung mga yan. Nasa program. Okay, data pre-processing, handling missing values, scaling features, and encoding categorical variables. Okay, model building a sequential neural network with ReLU activated hidden layers and sigmoid output layer for binary classification. Then, training and evaluation. Kailangan i-train natin. The model is trained to predict rainfall with metrics like accuracy and AUC, area under the curve, track during training. Okay, what application is the program trying to model and solve? This program aims to model weather prediction, specifically rainfall and using atmospheric data. Such models are crucial for agriculture. Yan. Sa agriculture, tinutulungan yung mga farmers to plant irrigation. Then, disaster preparedness, predicting extreme weather events. Pinipredict niya yung weather events. Yan, using SNN. Aviation and sailing provides safety alerts. Okay, the program simplifies real-world meteorological problems by using derived features to capture complex weather patterns. Okay, yung sa mga barko, nagpe-predict sila. Nagpo-provide siya ng safety alerts. Okay, accurate ba siya? Tingnan natin. The model achieves 85% validation accuracy and AUC 0.87, suggesting decent performance. However, the training logs show fluctuation. Nagpa-fluctuate siya. Okay? The model might struggle with noisy missing data. Okay. Kaya medyo may problem siya sa reliability. Sa efficiency naman, the code is functional but has typos, which could confuse beginners. Okay, pag beginners ka talaga, yung mga code dito, medyo malilito tayo. Anong ibig sabihin? Okay, how to improve the program? Enhance data quality. Address warnings. Use more robust cross-validation to assess reliability. Okay, model improvements. Experiment with deeper networks or LSTM layers for temporal weather data. Replace binary classification with regression for rainfall intensity. Okay, sa educational tweaks, add comments, docstring to explain steps. Include visualization para maintindihan natin ng mabuti yung bawat code. Then, engagement challenge the student or the engineers to try on their own features. Okay, compare SNN with traditional models. Okay, mga key takeaways, yung mga key points natin. Neural networks are powerful but fragile. Small data issues can derail training. Features engineering is critical. Domain knowledge directly impacts model success. Interactive improvement matters. Debugging typos and tuning hyperparameters are part of the process. Okay, real-world relevance. This activity bridges theory and practice weather prediction, showing how AI solve tangible problems. Okay, kasi nagpe-predict na siya ng weather. In conclusion, this SNN program is a great starting point for understanding neural networks in meteorology. With refinements, it could become an even more effective teaching tools sa mga student natin. Okay, thank you very much. Sana naintindihan natin yung mga code dito sa simple neural network tsaka sa RNN, uh, recurrent neural networks. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.